Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. And this Friday afternoon I've just decided to take a little nature walk. Walking through this trail, as you all can see, it's very relaxing, surrounded by nature. So stay tuned to see what this video or this vlog entails. So I'm seeing this little guy here. He's flapping his wings. It's a really nice butterfly. Now this is what nature is all about. Walking through the woods, you tend to see unexpected things that you don't see on a daily basis. Now, those of you who don't know what this is commonly called googaloo, and it has a nice jelly inside when you burst it. And the tree, it has a lot of thorns or picker on it. Now this is a famous thing in the forest, and wild animals like the agoutis, they love to feed on this, so they will take their teeth and crack it open and get the jelly that is inside. So leave a comment if you have ever tasted this or you know what it is about. Now in the distance I'm seeing a kobo standing in the middle of the road, and he's eating something. Now these birds, they tend to feed on dead animals or things that are decaying. And he just won't let go, and he's flying away. Now just look at the scenery. The trees, you are hearing the parrots, you are hearing all sorts of different animal sounds. It's music to my ears. So the sun is setting, and it's giving this nice reflection of light through the trees, and we have a palm tree here that is standing tall, and the light from the sunset is just looking so magnificent. So about 20 minutes into the walk, we were greeted with this large body of water, and this is commonly known as the Small Dam, located in Tabaquite. So just take a look at how beautiful this dam is. Now the sun is setting, and look how beautiful it's looking. The light is shining over the lake, reflecting this nice scenery. Very peaceful, very calming, very relaxing. This is what nature is about. It's an escape that, whatever worries, whatever frustration, whatever problems you may be dealing with, if you take a walk, just any little trail, any way that you can see trees, hear the birds, see the birds, it's very calming and it's very relaxing. I can tell you that. Now if you all want to take a drive down to the Small Dam located in Tabaquite, it is advisable that you drive down here with a 4x4, not really a car because of the condition of the road. But today we parked outside and we decided to take a walk down through the trail and come down here and just enjoy this nice afternoon walk slash scenery. Now a little way further down you can see this walkway that leads out into the water, and you can probably take a chance and walk out and get a better look of the dam. And I was looking here and I'm seeing fish flipping in the water out there. Just look at how beautiful this is. Look at that sunset. It is so beautiful, guys. Now this is another view of the lake, and if you all look, we have some people catching fish, evening fishing, and this is the spillway. So this is the wall here that keeps the water in the lake, but when rain falls or when there's heavy rainfall, the dam will overflow and it will flow over the wall, creating this lovely view like a nice waterfall. So hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Until next time, bye everyone.